Hi, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily do a drain in the area where the water is sitting for really cheap. I was watching a couple of different videos. I live in Florida, so we have specific situation. We have a rain that is gathering over here. We don't have a rain gutter, which could probably help a little bit, but the problem is that the house is probably over 60 years old, and then the rain was always raining here. We have a little kind of niche over here, so when there's a lot of rain, we're starting to get a little water over here, so there's a little pool. So if this is not gonna work, which I hope it will, I'm gonna do the drain coming from here and I'm gonna get the water out. But before I do that, I got a couple of just the draining rocks, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a kind of like a dry well. I'm gonna make a hole over here, fill it up with the rocks to improve the drainage. And according to what this guy who is actually doing the drainage that's his profession, he said that's the cheapest way to do it. Instead of just moving the water out in different directions, just make sure that you dig a hole at least 24 inches deep and then fill that up with rocks. That's what I'm gonna do. Also, the rocks I'm gonna go and wrap on the outside with just regular landscaping material. I also did some testing. You put it on top of the bucket, pour the water, see if it actually is letting the water through, and I had no problem. It goes really fast. Depending on what material you have, some of them are really not allowing the water through. This one is. So my plan is to dig one hole over here, then another two in about 8 feet distance from the main one, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, I got my hole down to the sand. Okay, and now I have a hole down to about 26 inches. Now I put my landscaping thing, and I'm gonna throw the rocks so they don't mix with the dirt, so it's gonna be better drainage. Now I want to do the test to see if it's just the half of it is gonna be draining properly. Let's see. Hold it. And it's draining, not as fast as I anticipated because of the material. Probably it's not as permeable as I wanted. Okay. Yeah, but it is going down a little bit slower. Alrighty, so now I filled it up. It took about 2 bags like this to fill up 2-foot deep hole, and then now I'm just going to go and cover this so there is safe area right here, so the dirt is not clogging this part. And then I'm gonna put it with the dirt, and I'm gonna make another 2. So now I'm ready to cover the hole. 2 bags got in here, and this is where the water pools over here. Alrighty, so I have a one drain over here, the other one over here, and this one over here in a triangle about 7-8 feet apart. And soil that I got from underneath, I spread out a little bit in these areas where it's super flat. So now I'm just gonna be waiting for the rain and we'll see how it goes. I'm just gonna do the little test with this bucket that I have. I'm just gonna go and do this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is this going to drain? Oh, it's going down. Well, this area over here is already dry, and this one right here is standing just a little bit. Okay, so I'm guessing in few minute or two there's gonna be no water, but anyway, I need to wait for the real rain and then we're gonna find out.